witnessing emotions of fear and greed, okay? Emotions of fear, okay? And over trying, over forcing, not waiting for the timing, not waiting for the clues to print. It's all about that. Right now in this live US dollar Mexican trade, as we can see, I was shorting it too early. I was shorting it 5 minute 21, another 5 minute 50, then 15 minute 21. So I ran out of margin. Okay, added everything. So when it went to let's say 15 minute 50 and 30 minute and previous resistance zone for the horizontal visual resistance, as they call it, horizontal resistance zone. And when that happened, and 34 MA, and it's start to make a move down as supposed to be the right, the method according to the plan system, that waited should have waited for 1 minute bias change. Price in 1 minute bounce off, like made a in downtrend, made a U-turn in the U-turn, and when keep making higher lows, higher highs in blackjack to the upside, and I'm shorting it trying to pick the top. It works, but it's not the safest way. It's not the smartest and the safest way. Now, what's going on right now, again, as I see in the present moment, there's fear of losing unrealized profit, fear of losing open profit. Okay, first it was greed. No, it was over eagerness. Now it's about all emotional. It's all stress, emotional stress. It's all about wanting to feel good, wanting to make money to buy stuff that I don't even probably need, or pleasures. Well, I need. So wanting to buy pleasures, whatever it may be, vacations, travel. Okay, so price. This was on a 1 hour chart. This was support, and price did what it does. It made a breakout, pulled back upstairs, gone up in the New York market, asset changing hands. Now, what do we have? Oil inventories just came up. Okay, it's coming up any second. So what's it going to do? Is it going to go down to support, or it can turn around, go all the way back up? I don't know. Looks very possibly downward. Okay, downward. But look, price really didn't give you a confirmation for downward. It's making high lows, high highs, lows, moving averages, alligator jaw pointing up. Finally, it came and broke a sideways consolidation, a triangle, trend line, everything. All right, finally. Now I'm hoping for it to come down all the way, and right now I'm worried the news might push it up, or it might push it down all the way. What time is it? This is already 10:30. Look. Oof. Yeah, that either there's a crunch time. So emotions, stress, everything is happening. Okay. So what let me just and this is freezing. So where am I? Okay. I'm just gonna take my profit here, okay? Okay, I'm not able to. Okay, I'm able. Okay, I had a cursor on. Not able. I was able to, and this is not. All right. Looks like it pushed down. Trying to make some extra money. It's just needing, wanting. Well, no, the right according to the system, it will come down to this 1 hour, let's say 30 minute low. Okay, and this 15 minute chart should come down. Look at the 15 minute outside pin ranger. The best setup, best candle signal for reversal is an outside pin range, outside, what else you can call it, sword ranger, outside arrow, outside pin ranger, just to make it easy. No fancy word, but outside pin. All right, it does what it's supposed to do. I'm just like every trader, the fear takes over. All right, I'm just gonna have to take the profit here because my positions were not very good. I was too early. Okay, I'm gonna close my position for the profit already. I was too early to sell. I didn't have the margin enough to sell more. I was way over leverage. Okay, my stops were way behind the previous low. Previous high was way up there, and I'm selling near this, close to, thinking is gonna be like a liquidation of dollar Mexican, like, happens. All right, nice. It came very close. It may even go lower. This blackjack may even go down to another 150, like 100, 200, 300 points, much lower. I'm not worried about that. But the biggest observing this the automatic fear driving the action, automatic emotions driving the action is the name of the game. That's for everybody, like everybody, 98%. But I'm not. I'm a top 2%. In system entry setups, I'm already top 2%. And lowest risk, highest reward setups. That's what I'm looking for. Highest hit rate, or it doesn't have to be highest hit rate. It can be nice 6 out of 10 hit rate. More than enough. David Paul say people sell the granny for a 55 out of 10 hit rate. 50% hit rate at 1.5 ratio. I have 6 to 7% hit rate, and on a bigger time frame it is at least 7, and shorter on 1 minute probably is like 5. And then the risk reward, at least, like, it's at least 3R. At least 3R means $1 risk, $3 up. So had I risk on a top down analysis, where would have been my entry? Touching the 200, coming down? No. Yeah, but I think the ideal entry, whether we miss out on all the trades of the world, the ideal entry is a consolidation and breakout. Consolidation, some kind of pattern and breakout. This is sideways pattern. Okay, fake and reverse. So very simple. Let's do it. Okay, there was a range, price going a range, upside, downside. It's in a range. Okay, it's not closing below above the range. Here it closed above the range. People who are not doing top down support, resistance, trend analysis, they'll buy, maybe, I don't know, whatever, or they, what everybody does. But that's what it looks like. Market is, I don't know why market does a fake and reverse. So this is a fake and reverse. This is a sideways action, rangy, choppy, and it can break down, pull back, and go down in a lot of time. Okay, from here it can go lower, go back up, and come back down. It decided to first maybe take a stop, maybe, who knows what's, or reach more orders to sell, people, more sellers up there. What the market pattern, I don't know all the reasons behind it, but either is, people call it stop hunting, or we call it getting more sellers involved. First it broke this previous high, went up, went sideways, then finally came and broke this previous low. I mean, closed below this previous low. So this is my supposed to be my entry. I don't have to wait for 1 minute blackjack. It will be more confirmed if price make a U-turn around 21, and right here is a more very conservative, but it's, it's okay. And it's, then again, you have to be mindful of previous low. If it's too close, happening too close, you can still do it. This is still not a problem. This is still can be a trade to be taken. Okay, as a short trade, it depends. As we know, USD maxing not in a major strong trend. Okay, so it's the pair that I've been observing, it ranging lately. It used to do lots of big trends, ranging lately, choppy lately. It turns around, back and forth, very deep retracements. So I'm gonna, well, I already had a great setup, so one is enough. You just had wait for an edge, real one edge, and you found it. So that's it. This thing, as I say right here, it was this right here was 15 minute 30. Yeah. No, 15 minute 50 and 30 minute 30. So right here was, it didn't turn around from 21 on 5 or 15, didn't turn around on 34 or 5:15, or 5 minute 50. So it was no confirmation when is it momentum's going to shift to the downside, and it didn't have to. It could have, there be no, nobody could say, there's no guarantee it couldn't go up against me thousands, hundreds of points. All right, but the point was to look for an edge, have an edge, wait for an edge, wait for an edge, wait for an edge. Edge is something that's a confirmation of something you're predicting, something your analysis, top down analysis, and you analyzed, forecasted, predicted, calculated, read the story, and made a possibility deduction, investigation deduction, was price can somewhere around here, whereas price is absolutely in a break to the downside on 1 hour chart already, made a 1 hour blackjack already. It's below, there is nothing on the 4 hour until 200 MA, and it will very likely go to 200 MA. I can say right now, there's nothing wrong with that. But price on 30 minute, it's coming down now. It's pulling, retracing, deep retracement, very very deep retracement, which is probably happens. Yeah, it's gonna happen in New York session. You're gonna get deep retracement New York session. So the idea, what do we do in 5 minutes? Probably you're too late, but no, it's never too late. This huge outside bar at 5 minute chart on right here on the right side, after it's touching the major sell zone, after it's going to big last, all the big sellers came in around here. Okay, where they come in, obviously at the previous visual tech level, 34 MA. They even went a little bit higher, somewhere between these two previous lows, and this is resistance context of down move, downtrend, and we already covered that, everything. Just recapping, it's so hard. It's so hard to wait, of not afraid of missing out. It can put us in a good moves, get a lot of money sometimes. This is very risky. Where's your stop? Like Dave always say, where are you gonna put your stop? Stop has to be the 30-minute high. Okay, conservative. No, this conservative, aggressive. Either way, you have to be. You can't be fooled out, shaken out, insulted that your direction was right and you're being stopped out. So, where to enter most for the lowest risk is the key. Is the key. Okay, we don't know when it's going up on 30-minute, can it go all the way? But we need a reversal pattern. What is the reversal pattern? On 5-minute chart, this is absolutely a confirmation reversal, whether take it or leave it, or maybe doesn't matter if it goes back around, but this is where your pocket aces are. If pre-flop, you're betting all in. If somebody go all in, you got to put all your money in. If pre-flop, you put as much money as get as much money in possible. Your goal is to get, well, all in means, yeah, of course, whatever it is. That's how, if you taking no limit hold'em, no limit trading. Okay, no limit Texas trading. All right, no limit hold'em trading. So this is a 5-minute entry, very confirmed, very solid, very absolute, pretty absolute as pocket, as absolute as pocket aces pre-flop. This is the 1-minute entry, recapping again and again and again. Price breaking out first the sideway. This is support. Okay, tech level, that price came down to a tech level, support level, possible support level, made a triangle, made a pattern, broke, pull back up. Why not? Could take a very nice little 1 to 5 ratio stop. 5 hour, 4 hour, 3 hour, at least 3 hour you're looking at here. Dun 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 dun. Now I really don't know when to get out here. 1 minute 200 is okay, you know. After that you want to take, it's up to you, but the big trend is a downside, which is still will do it. Okay, so what are we doing? What the recap is: waiting for 1 minute to make a consolidation, okay, or something else, or any other reversal, but reversal, prerequisite of reversal, consolidation, big pin down, a big pin outside pin ranger, outside sword ranger. What do you want to call it? Outside javelin ranger. All right, outside pin bar ranger, outside pin bar ranger. Okay, pin ranger bar. We'll come up with a fancy name later. Fake 30-minute 34 fake in reverse, closing below this previous low. Right now, if you didn't close, like you selling here, you didn't close, you selling here, didn't close previous low, it selling, finally closed below the previous low. Okay, sharp sellers selling heavy, sharply, obviously trend followers, boom boom boom, or just price wanted to do that, assets. Okay, boom boom boom. Okay, this 1 minute fractal, which is complete U. Okay, not a half U, not a like a touch of 21, complete U, or complete V, whatever it would be, you can call it. Now a complete minimum three candle, minimum. Well, this is good, minimum 3, boom boom 3. Okay, right here, here, go at least below next 2-3 candle. So this is gonna work. Stop has to be recent, and then look, rinse it. This is more aggressive and more risky trading, more not as clean confirm. What's the problem? You could have sit and waited and do nothing, work in a convenience store, drive Uber, wash dishes, be a dishwasher. Instead, you have opportunity. The only job is given to you is to wait for the best of the best clues of reversal in the around support resistance dynamic, moving average as a support resistance, trend lines or previous high low. Prefer moving average in any day of the week. So confluence of previous high low, trend line, great. So the only thing your job is to identify breakouts in a bigger time frame and wait for a blackjack confirm you at the shorter time frame. Rinse and repeat, set and forget. Or you rather go wash dishes or stand in a convenience store counter and be a cash, working in a candy store, which you know plenty of people are doing. Drive Uber, go door to door sales, telemarketing. What else can you do? Door number, no, never. Let's just, scam, no, never. No door number, no making money wrong way. This is the making money the best way possible. Let's just wait for exactly what we went through today. It's one of the best way to trade. Safest means it's most solid. Waiting for top tier pocket hands. Okay, as these coaches were giving the guidance of which a chart of which hands to play only in the book. This is the top pocket aces. Nice clean breakout from the on the bigger time frame, early, getting in early, a nice clean continuation on the shorter time frame, pull back and continuation. Low risk, high reward, life set. All right, well, rinse and repeat.